Knowledge. Role of social media for sustainable growth by Ajit Kumar, Rajkumar Prajapati and Dr. Prayatkar Kanadia. Knowledge management. This paper will focus on the contribution of social media to facilitate tacit knowledge sharing in an organization for its success. Introduction. According to Gavragian and Ivan Voxy 2009, the most productive organizations are those which have acknowledged knowledge as the main or the only resource for lasting competitive advantage. One of the reasons of implementing knowledge management is to facilitate the knowledge owned by one individual to be accessed and used by other individuals to better perform their task, according to Lewitt 2001. According to Peter Drucker, 1992, knowledge has been acknowledged as a major source of organizations. Coping with knowledge creation, transfer, and exploitation will be significantly crucial for the survival and or success of corporations. Nonaka and Hedlund 1991. Tacit knowledge. Tacit knowledge relates to the knowledge residing in the heads of individual that is not organized. Organizations can create records better known as indexes or export locator to label and find people with mission critical knowledge and experience. Leonard and Kiron 2002. Tacit knowledge is the less familiar, unconventional form of knowledge. Tacit knowledge is not codified, it is not communicated in a language. It is acquired by sharing experiences, by observation and imitations. Gorley 2002. Characteristics. Tacit knowledge is difficult to track and capture. We can capture tacit knowledge only when it is found. Organizations that can identify and link experts who can share their tacit knowledge benefit by providing higher quality solutions that are delivered faster and at a lower overall cost. The key to successfully leveraging tacit knowledge within organization is to accurately find the right people to solve that particular situation. Role of social media as reviewed by Panahi and other 2002. The literature emphasizes more on social interactions for tacit knowledge sharing, particularly on face to face form. A few studies highlighted that tacit knowledge sharing may occur in an online environment. For example, Mark Wick 2001 argues that online discussion forums, chat rooms, and other real time online interactions can effectively facilitate tacit knowledge sharing among team members. Lai 2005 has also confirmed the possibility of tacit knowledge transferring in internet discussion and chat session. Role of social media, social bookmarking, social networking sites, SNS, RSS, wikis, multimedia sharing tools, podcast or podcast, blogs and microblogs. Blogs and microblogs. Blogs support tacit knowledge sharing by establishing a space that gives everyone a voice, enabling people to have discussions, annotate, and document immediately their thoughts, and to capture or share personal knowledge and insight in a friendly environment. Chetty, 2007. Allowing people to talk about their personal experiences is one of the main mechanisms for sharing tacit knowledge. RD Ardich Willi in 2003. Immediate feedback on blog posts is helpful for transferring tacit knowledge too. It enables users to support their ideas and stories by embedding multimedia files such as images and audio video presentations. Microblogs such as Twitter and Yammer also provide opportunities for broadcasting as well as keeping up to date with new advancements, trends, and publications. Wikis. Wikis can affect both externalization, writing down personal knowledge, and internalization, processing the information offered by wiki and integrating it into the individual knowledge of tacit knowledge, providing a field of collaborative knowledge, capturing and sharing, accompanied with social interactions, harnessing collective intelligence. Social networking sites SNS enable to locate, export, foster peer-to-peer relationships, promote technical discussions, and provide areas for socializing and personal knowledge sharing. In addition, SNS increase the level of interpersonal trust through establishing closer and more frequent communication among members, which are both necessary for the effective transfer of tacit knowledge. Multimedia sharing tools, podcasts or podcasts. These tools, these tools are particularly useful in the internalization process of knowledge sharing, which can enhance the learning and conceptualizing of existing knowledge. They are useful in demonstrating technical know-how and transferring hands-on experiences which may not be expressible by verbalizations or through other formal documentation methods. RSS. It usually gathers and distributes already published knowledge in different places. It increases the visibility of information published in other places, which in turn indirectly helps to disseminate tacit knowledge widely. Social bookmarking. Although social tagging plays the role of indexing in structure knowledge sharing, it can also help tacit knowledge sharing by connecting people with common interests and harnessing individuals' collective intelligence as they allocate, organize, and share personalized text with each other. Tagging can resemble highlighting key ideas in a book with a marker, enabling the transfer of underlying logic and key information. Barrier in implementing or limitations. People would be unwilling to share their cutting edge knowledge in social web spaces as doing so may sacrifice their position in the organization or the market. There are also issues with privacy and maintaining confidentiality in the social web environment, which is one of the main barriers in online tacit knowledge. Sharing which holds back people from using these tools for that purpose, safety and security. People might be more cautious with using tools that have the potential to jeopardize their jobs. And at the end conclusion, in this knowledge economy, there is necessity for modern organizations to promote knowledge sharing and record appropriate information, capturing the tacit knowledge of individuals in a way that can be used by the organizations is perhaps one of the biggest challenge one of the biggest challenges is in knowledge management. Social media can provide a space where everyone can socialize and discuss, listen, watch, and observe best practices shared by peers, build trusting relationships with like minded people around the world, write and share their clinical stories in an interactive way, which is supported by multimedia files reach or obtain knowledge from much wider audiences and resources and document their articulated tacit knowledge and share it immediately. Thank you very much all of you.